think what makes it unique is that the art glass world has never seen anything quite like this before. Everybody's always been told that dichroic glass and knows dichroic glass as a very beautiful but coated glass, where ours is done through chemistry rather than coating. It's got some very unique qualities geared towards illumination, whereas the other stuff has always just been surface coating. I knew the qualities of the components that go into the glass. I knew the dichroic qualities that could be achieved through this. It probably took about 15 years of R&D. It's done through colloidal science, in that most colors are achieved through saturation and going into solution. We get them to suspend in colloids, and the size of the colloid determines the transmitted light that comes through. So you have a different reflected light and a different transmitted light, and it actually becomes truly dichroic. Obviously, illumination is the key because that's where the magic occurs with the color shift. Lamp makers are finding this very desirable at this point because we are able to achieve certain colors that they've been dying for a long time. Any kind of illumination, whether it be natural daylight, LED light, fluorescent light, even incandescent light, causes you to see the magic and the transformation within the glass itself.